So friends, I am feeling very happy. I am starting again. Oh, see this. Like, see this greenery, full of nature, and nature. And this is the beauty of solo treks. You can talk anything, do anything. You have full freedom. And this freedom I can't get with the groups. Yeah. So I wanna make video with my face, emotions. Can we make that video? Yes, why we can't? Yes, the sea water streams. Baby, I born for this. I born for this. The sea, fields of rice. And I guess probably we have to go here. Here is the Kalu Waterfall. Oh, I am very much happy, brother.